That's your control law firm, First Alert Traffic.
There are so many things to keep in mind these days, getting those kids to school, getting ready for the holidays, but it's also the time of year to protect your home. Tim Miller with the important warning.
We've all done it, putting off home improvements because we didn't want to spend the money. And who likes to pay for preventative maintenance? Well, there's one project you should not ignore. Your family's safety depends on it.
You don't smell it, you don't see it. It's not smoke that you can see.
It happened last winter in Perrysburg.
If you don't realize it, if you don't catch it on time, you could end up dying.
The Kilbride family wakes up sick on January 17th. One vomits, another has seizure-like symptoms, and another passes out while trying to help. It was carbon monoxide at sky-high levels inside their home. An investigation revealed gas was pushed into their home when the heat exchanger on their furnace failed. They all survived, but it was the scare of their lives.
If the mother didn't wake up the father and the father realized there's a problem, they could not have woken up all of them in the morning.
Dr. Jihad Abbas is a vascular surgeon at ProMedica Toledo Hospital. As cold weather is now here and we're firing up our furnaces once again, he says it's absolutely critical to have preventative maintenance done on our furnaces.
Unfortunately, people don't pay attention to these things either for financial reasons or for kind of laziness purpose, but at the end, it's a lifesaver.
Dr. Abbas says carbon monoxide attacks your bloodstream and delivers carbon monoxide instead of oxygen to your organs. It's like a poison that causes the warning signs, headaches, nausea, and dizziness. You could fall asleep, and in the worst case scenario, death. The good news, if you or a family member are overcome by carbon monoxide, these are here to help.
We've seen it all. I've been here a long time.
This is the hyperbaric medicine unit at ProMedica Toledo Hospital. Patients are treated here every day for diabetes wounds, blood loss, anemia, and the big one, carbon monoxide poisoning. Hyperbaric nurse Melanie Johnson showed us that when inside, a patient is flooded with 100% oxygen under pressure. It can remove the deadly carbon monoxide from their bloodstream, but sometimes it's tragically too late.
When you see little babies, little children not make it, and the families, it's really sad. And I've seen it, and it breaks your heart. It really does.
To keep your family out of one of these, don't skip the maintenance on your furnace. And as any firefighter would be quick to tell you, don't forget to have these in your homes along with smoke detectors, carbon monoxide alarms that go off when the deadly gas is detected.
Take care of these small things. They might cost a little bit, but ultimately, they might be a lifesaver.
Tim Miller, WTOL 11.
Great reminder, as these are the things that we sometimes forget about. Safe Kids Toledo says young children are especially vulnerable to the effects of carbon monoxide because of their smaller bodies. Children might be more severely affected by it and might show signs of poisoning sooner.
'Tis the season for allergies to